Makeup is about expressing yourself and having fun. It's a way to showcase your personality and creativity. Think of it as an art project with your face as the canvas. Each stroke of the brush is a step towards creating your masterpiece. A simple routine can boost your confidence and make you feel ready for the day. It's amazing how a few minutes can transform your mood. You don't need many products or much time. Just a few essentials can make a big difference. This guide is for everyone, whether you're new to makeup or want a quicker routine. It's all about finding what works best for you. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not change it. Subtle touches can highlight your best features. A no-fuss look appears natural and radiant. It's about looking like the best version of yourself. People might not even realize you're wearing makeup. They'll just see a more polished you. It's perfect for any occasion, making you feel polished without hours in front of the mirror. Whether it's for work or a casual outing, you're always ready. Let's embark on this journey together. Discover the joy of a simple, effective makeup routine. Makeup is about learning and playing. Mistakes are part of the process. Embrace them and have fun. We'll cover basic steps that become second nature. With practice, you'll gain confidence and skill. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and create something beautiful. It's your time to shine. Before creating, gather your essentials. Having everything you need within reach will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Start with a BB cream or tinted moisturizer for a fresh look. These products provide light coverage and help even out your skin tone. These often include SPF for sun protection, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Concealer is your magic wand for hiding imperfections. Use it to cover dark circles, blemishes, and any areas that need a little extra help. A setting powder keeps everything in place and controls shine. It's especially useful for those with oily skin. Add a blush for warmth and a healthy glow. A touch of color on your cheeks can make you look more vibrant and awake. Choose soft pinks or peaches for a natural look. These shades complement most skin tones and give a subtle, flattering flush. For eyes, stick to neutral shadows and mascara to open them up. Neutral tones are versatile and suitable for any occasion. Define brows with a pencil or powder for a polished look. Well-groomed brows frame your face and enhance your overall appearance. A tinted lip balm or natural lipstick completes the look. It adds a hint of color while keeping your lips hydrated. Basic tools include a foundation brush, powder brush, blush brush, and eyeshadow brush. These tools help you apply your makeup more precisely and evenly. This starter kit is all you need for effortless beauty. With these essentials, you can create a variety of looks with ease. Remember, less is more. Focus on enhancing, not masking. The goal is to highlight your natural beauty, not cover it up. With these essentials, you're ready to create a simple, beautiful look. Embrace your features and let your personality shine through. Let's dive into building your look. With the right tools and products, the possibilities are endless. Start with a clean canvas. Wash your face and moisturize. This step is crucial as it removes any impurities and provides a fresh base for your makeup. Moisturizer hydrates and preps your skin for makeup. It ensures that your skin stays supple and prevents your makeup from looking cakey. Primer creates a smooth base and helps makeup last longer. It fills in pores and fine lines, giving you a flawless finish. Use a small amount and let it dry before applying makeup. This step is essential to ensure that your makeup adheres properly and stays put throughout the day. For a daily look, use BB cream or tinted moisturizer. These products provide light coverage and a natural finish, perfect for everyday wear. These even out skin tone without feeling heavy. They are ideal for a fresh, no-makeup makeup look. Apply with fingers, sponge, or brush, blending outward. This technique ensures an even application and a seamless finish. Blend down your neck to avoid harsh lines. This step is often overlooked but is crucial for a cohesive look. Use thin layers for a natural look. Less is more. Building up coverage gradually helps achieve a more natural and breathable finish. The goal is a sheer veil that enhances your natural beauty. You want your skin to look like skin, just a bit more polished. Good blending is key to a barely there look. Take your time to ensure there are no visible lines or patches. Take your time, especially around hairline and jawline. These areas can easily show makeup lines if not blended well. This step ensures a glowing, even complexion. A well-blended base sets the stage for the rest of your makeup. Remember, makeup should feel light and comfortable. It should enhance your features without feeling heavy or restrictive. With practice, you'll master this routine quickly. The more you practice, the more efficient and confident you'll become. Enjoy the process and watch your confidence grow. Makeup is not just about appearance, it's also about feeling good. Now, let's move on to the finishing touches. These final steps will complete your look and make it last. Your skin is prepped and ready for the next steps. A well-prepped base is the foundation of any great makeup look. Let's enhance your natural beauty further. With the right techniques and products, you can highlight your best features effortlessly. Concealer is your secret weapon for a bright look. Use it under eyes and on blemishes for a flawless finish. Choose a lighter shade for under eyes to brighten. For blemishes, match your skin tone for seamless blending. Apply under-eye concealer in a triangle shape for brightness. Tap gently with your ring finger to blend. Set your makeup with a light dusting of setting powder. Focus on oily areas like the T-zone for a matte finish. Use a fluffy brush for a natural look. Avoid overpowdering to prevent a cakey appearance. This step locks in your look for all-day freshness. Now let's add a pop of color to complete your look. Time to add warmth and glow with blush. Choose a natural shade for a healthy, vibrant look. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Apply blush with a fluffy brush, blending upwards. Start with a small amount and build up if needed. For extra warmth, lightly dust bronzer where the sun hits. This adds dimension and a sun-kissed effect. Remember, blending is key for a seamless look. Now, let's make your eyes sparkle and lips smile. Well-groomed brows frame your face. Fill in gaps with light strokes for a natural look. Use a spoolie to blend and soften the product. For eyeshadow, stick to neutral shades for depth. A matte brown defines eyes without heavy makeup. Add a touch of shimmer for brightness. Mascara opens up your eyes with longer, thicker lashes. Apply 1 or 2 coats for a daily look. For lips, choose a tinted balm or sheer lipstick. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color. It's quick, easy, and completes your look. No mirror needed. Just swipe and go. This routine enhances your features effortlessly. You're ready to face the day with confidence. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. You've mastered a simple, beautiful routine. Remember, these steps are a guide, not rules. Makeup is about what makes you feel good. Skip steps or try new things. It's your choice. Practice builds confidence and speed. Soon, this routine will be a quick, relaxing ritual. Experiment with colors and products to find your favorites. Makeup is a journey of discovery and self-expression. You're beautiful with or without makeup. It's a tool for confidence and personality. Have fun and don't take it too seriously. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Embrace your unique beauty and let it shine. Now go out there and show the world your glow. You're ready to conquer the day with your...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.